Hi, I'm Valerie. How can I help you today?
I would like to, use your establishment to make my cheesecakes.
Why are you winking?
Well, I'm going to rent your space and then make my cheesecakes at home that I sell online around the country.
Sorry, that's illegal.
How about I use an hour or two here and then make everything else at home?
That's illegal too.
Okay, so what can I do?
You cannot make anything at home that you are selling wholesale or online, especially products that have a high risk of foodborne illness. Kithen Hub gives you the ability to become licensed and make any baked goods or products in an FDACS-approved facility. And here's the best part, our professionals can walk you through the entire process.
Oh wow, I did not know that.
I look forward to making my cheesecakes at Kithen Hub. Thank you for your expertise. My pleasure.